Hi children, today in science we are going to learn about the topic what animals eat. Some animals eat only plants and they are called plant eaters or herbivorous animals. Let's see some examples for plant eaters. Zebra, goat, horse. These animals only eat plants, so they are called herbivorous animals. Some animals eat flesh of other animals and they are called as flesh eaters or carnivorous animals. Let's see some examples for carnivorous animals. Tiger, lion, deer. These animals eat the flesh of other animals, so they are called as carnivorous animals. Now let's see what other animals eat. Cow, grass, dog, bone, lion, deer, elephant, bamboo, cat, fish, rabbit, carrot. So children, today we have learnt what animals eat. Thank you children.